In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator on Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a project and need some extra hands or just want to share your sheet with a team member, adding collaborators is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log in to your Smartsheet account. Make sure you have your credentials handy because you'll need them to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard where all your projects and sheets are organized. Next, you'll want to navigate to your workspace. This is where the magic happens, where all your sheets reside. Click on the workspace that contains the sheet you want to share. If your sheets are organized into different workspaces, double check to ensure you're opening the right one. Once you're in the appropriate workspace, open the specific sheet you intend to share. Take a quick minute to ensure it's the correct sheet because you wouldn't want to accidentally provide access to the wrong one. You'll see the content displayed for you to review before proceeding to share it. Now shift your attention to the top right corner of the sheet where you'll spot a blue share button. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the sharing options. This is where you'll set up the access for your collaborator. At this point you have two choices. Select workspace if you want your collaborator to have access to all the sheets contained in that workspace. This is particularly useful if the entire project consists of multiple sheets and needs to be shared as a whole. On the other hand, if you prefer to limit access to just the sheet you're currently working on, select Sheet. This option is perfect for those who only need to collaborate on a single element of the larger project. In the Invite People and Groups box, you'll enter the email address of the person or team you wish to collaborate with. Make sure the email address is correct, as this is where the invitation to access the sheet will be sent. After inputting the email address, the next step is to determine the permission level you'd like to assign. Smartsheet provides a few options here: admin, editor with sharing capabilities, editor without sharing capabilities, commenter and viewer. Choose the one that best fits the role you expect your collaborator to play. You also have the option to add a personal message. This is entirely optional, but can be helpful if you want to include a short note explaining why you're sharing the sheet or any specific instructions. Finally, click Share to complete the process. Your collaborator will shortly receive an email invitation to access the sheet you just shared. Be sure to follow up with them to confirm they have received the invitation and can access the materials. And there you have it, simple and efficient collaboration in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.